Are you agree with that?
Yes!
Thank you very much. We've been facing genocide many decades. I just coming out from the court. We had our sisters, brothers, our children been vandalized. This is what we had last 2 years ago. Today, we are very glad at the court, Burmese government, they heard what really happened. You know, it's been going on many years, but today is historic moment for the Rohingyas and other minorities in Burma because we are demanding justice for many years. We all brothers and sisters here, we are advocating, we are asking, we knock at the door everywhere, but we never expect we will get justice. I believe that today we can move forward from this hearing. Justice towards Rohingya and other minorities of Burma. This is very important. My dear brothers and sisters, where is our Kashmir brothers and Karen brothers? Please join us. Our Kashmir brothers and Karen brothers, please join here with us to show solidarity. It is very important for us today. We are standing with solidarity. Burmese military and government, they cannot make us weak. Together, we are strong. Together, we are showing unity. Together, we want justice for Rohingyas and other minorities of Burma. We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! Show us respect! Show us respect! Show us respect! We want justice! 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 Show us respect! Show us respect! Stop genocide against Rohingya in Burma! No! Stop genocide against Rohingya in Burma! No! Stop genocide against Rohingya in Burma!
Right now!
Stop killing Rohingyas in Burma!
Right now! Right now!
Stop killing Rohingyas in Burma!
Right now! Right now!
Stop killing ethnic minorities in Burma!
Right now! Right now!
Stop killing ethnic minorities in Burma!
Right now! Right now!
Stop killing ethnic minorities in Burma!
Right now! Right now!
Stop genocide against Rohingya!
No! Right now!
Stop genocide against Rohingya! Stop genocide against Rohingya! Stop genocide against Rohingya! Stop genocide against Rohingya!
Right now! Right now!
We want
Justice!
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 Stop killing Rohingyas in Burma!
Right now! Right now!
Stop genocide against Rohingya!